Hey guys, this is part 2 to my mold video, and I just pulled out the resin piece. It's fixing perfect. It's been a little bit more than 20 minutes, but I just pulled it out, and here's the back. And now you have a heart, double heart man. I took some white clay right now. I got some white clay and roll it into a ball. Then push down and move the clay onto the mold. And so the lines just because it was around the color of the skin. But that's what it looks like. But that's how you use Amazing Mold Putty, and I hope you guys enjoyed this 2-part video. Bye guys!